Ooh, wow, this looks so sick. Look what came in, you guys. Ooh, 2 boxes. Oh no, what did we do? VMS? Oh no. I'm sorry, Raystar. Like, you guys were great and everything, but I hated the lug nuts, man. I couldn't do the lug nuts on the Raystars anymore, and I wanted to just try a different set of wheels, right? Because we have 315s, and they wanted at least 10s on the 315s for my new tires, right? So VMS, you know, these are the new poverty stars right there. VMS, new poverty stars. These were like $240 a piece. The race stars were like 300 some. So these would be the new poverty stars. That's why we're switching, you guys. New poverty stars. Yeah, let's just get into the opening, man. I'm super excited. Oh, I'm nervous though. Nervous. Look at that cut's so not. Oh, that incision. Oh. Oh. Surgeon. Oh. Jeez, I'm sorry. Oh my. Hand here. I'm super excited. So satisfying. Ooh. Wow. This looks so sick. I don't know why. Like, it looks dope, man. Fit and finish. Really good on VMS, man. Don't sleep on these wheels. Like, you know what's even funnier? I looked at the weight on these, and that could have been scary, yo. I looked at the weight on these, and these compete against like top brands very well. You guys might be surprised. These are like 20 pounds, I think 20 or 22 pounds, and honestly, most expensive brands right around the same too. So you can't go wrong. VMS. We might ghetto dip all this black. You guys are gonna kill me if I do that, but I love how this looks. Like, this is so sick. USA for the win. We aren't wasting any time. We're gonna send these to Discount Tire. Put the shoes on here. Send this Discount Tire, get these mounted, and then wait another 3 more months. Oh, put that back there. And then here are the Mickeysss. Oof, beast. Meats on meats on meats. Get a truck, they said. It don't even fit everything in here. What the heck? The other tire over here. Side door special. Oh, it's the car seat side. Damn, here we go. So as you guys can see, it is still winter out. Yeah, plenty of snow still, and we are not mounting winter tires. We are mounting drag radials. Yeah, right. Why on earth would I be mounting drag radials right now? Still middle of winter, still lots of snow, but we are 100% crazy, and you know, beat the rush, just get the car done, might as well, right? In winter time, this is when you build your car and get things ready. So that's what we're doing, you guys. And who knows, we might be changing the Mustang up, but we are definitely going to be doing some suspension work soon on top of these new tires, 315s. That's why we got the VMSs, you guys. VMS 17x10s, and then to mount the 315s on them. That's why, because the race stars are 9.5 wide, so they say not to do 9.5, which you can, but it's one of those deals. And plus, I really just hated the lug nuts on the race stars. Like, what the frick? A washer and the lug nut? Like, ugh, I'm so sick of that. And it's such a tight fit. It's just always rough. So you're probably looking down here like, oh my gosh, he got a Mustang and he got a Ram. What in the world? I don't discriminate against brands. You know, this truck was nice. It definitely drove nicer than the Ford F-150, 250. We actually want to upgrade to a 250 or the 2500. You know, just a little bigger to tow a little better. But that's in the works from now, you guys. If you guys watch this, you'll probably see me in a year with a trailer and a newer truck. I just really want to have a nice tow car setup. So we'll see how long this dream lasts. But honestly, like the fit and finish of the Ram, everything on the Ram was just so much better than the Ford, which I'm sorry to say, but the Ram killed it. And I know we've been looking at the 21s, 22s, even the 23s Fords, and yes, they are nicer, but way too far out of the price range. All right, guys, we have made it to Discount Tire. We're gonna drop off the goods, and then we'll probably pick it up today or tomorrow. All right, let's get out of here. We're gonna go to like an ice maze today, so we'll see what that's all about. We have made it to the ice castle, and oh my, only a fool would wear these shoes out here. Oh man, you're gonna be in some trouble. But yeah, look at this, guys. This looks great. Wow. So we just got done doing like a quick ice castle. The tires are done. We're gonna pick up the tires, and I think we're gonna throw the tires on just to see how great it looks. Holy smokes, you guys. Check out the wheels. Oh boy, oh boy. Alrighty. Next to the race stars. Pretty excited to finally get these mounted up. $50 at Discount Tire, get them mounted. Man, $315, you guys, versus $305s. Kind of that's a huge difference. I don't know if you guys can tell, man. That's a big difference. Just the width. Oh my goodness. It literally comes up to there. Wow, that's a big difference. Wow. Make sure everything kind of clears. It's pretty close to this exhaust. Yeah, it looks like it clears everything pretty good. And, gonna torque these down and then see what's up. Well, to be honest, it doesn't look that bad. SVEs stuck out quite a bit compared to VMS. I mean, they do look pretty crazy as is. I mean, look at that. That thing is bananas, man. But it's not bad. So this is how it is. Shoot, we still got 2 fingers in here. Man. So, all right, we're just going to run through really quick the other side here and then go for a rip. I don't know, man. I seriously love how you can just put the wheel on and then just put the lugs on. The Race Stars washer and lug system, like what a pain in the head. Oh, this is where it's at, you guys. If you guys are ever curious about Race Stars, I'll show you in a little bit, but there's a washer and a lug. This stuff, just throw the wheel on and it's good to go. Another thing with the Race Star is you kind of have to like center it yourself and thread the wheel and thread the lug. So like you're trying to balance and thread at the same time. You just gotta find that magical spot. This just seems to work every time, which I'm very happy of. Like that's sweet. Alrighty guys, but we got the VMSs on and I'm surprised. It seems like they got a lot more clearance than the SVEs. I don't even know. Like, that's weird. I don't know, man. I think these fit a lot better than SVEs, even though they're both 17 by 10s. The offset's a little different, but I don't think that should make too much of a difference. I thought the SVEs were a lot tighter to here, you know what I mean? Like, I thought they were like one finger. I could be wrong, I forgot. I'm gonna go double check, but I mean, 2 fingers. We probably don't even need a spring spacer in here. Okay, so this is what a Raystar lug looks like, right? You got your little washer and your lug. And then in the meantime of all this finagling and like trying to center your wheel and try to thread this in, like, it has to be like freaking perfect. So the Gucci kind, and you just thread them on. So the VMS wheels are definitely a winner there in my opinion. And I can't believe VMSs are cheaper than the Raystars now. Like, that's crazy. People make fun of the Raystars because they were cheap, but VMSs are way cheaper now, and the fit finish so much better. Sorry to say it, Raystar, but like, you guys are great, but I think I'm converting to VMS. So I hope you guys enjoyed the quick video here. We got the VMSs on, test fitted. We should go out for rip butt. There's quite a bit of snow on my driveway and it's at an angle, so I don't want to take the chance of taking it out and then not being able to get back up. So, but the roads are clear. So as long as I can get, I know I can get out. I just don't know if I can come back in. But the roads are cleared, so I do want to go test drive this. Could be dangerous, I get it, but I just want to see how they ride. You know what I mean? Shoot. It really doesn't look any different than the 305s. For as far as clearance goes, you know, I mean, like, this is quite a bit of clearance. But then again, you know, we haven't added the weight in there and everything. But oh yeah, sorry for the long video of my new wheels. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys stay tuned. We'll see you guys on the next one. We are going to the airport for the next one, so stay tuned, man.